Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at black maca, a root from the Peruvian Andes that promises to fix your energy, stamina, and libido all at once. Because apparently, we've all collectively decided that caffeine just isn't enough to get us through a Tuesday anymore. While most people stick to powders or capsules to feel more alert and balanced, the market has now gifted us with transdermal patches, like the South Moon Energy version. It's a bold move to assume your skin wants to eat your supplements, and frankly, the science on how well these active compounds actually absorb through your pores is a bit murky at best. You're basically left guessing the actual dosage while hoping the only thing you get is a boost and not a nasty skin rash from the patch adhesive. It's a bit like playing biological roulette. Some users report feeling a genuine change, while others feel about as energized as a sloth on a rainy Sunday. There's a distinct lack of lab-verified info on these stickers, making it hard to tell if you're getting a miracle cure or just a very expensive piece of tape. Results are wildly inconsistent, so while some might feel a spark, others will likely feel absolutely nothing at all. Good luck with that.